share our next information. This is very common, especially to those who have been doing Atomy for quite a while, let's say 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 6 years, and sometimes they already experience some exhaustion, in doing the Atomy business. So therefore, I would like to share with you this this presentation. The title is Am I Doing the Right Thing for My Atomy Business? Loredana, can you see my screen, just my screen
Yes.
with the QR?
Yes.
Okay. And now just my screen, right? The picture.
Just the picture, yeah.
Okay, perfect. Look, I really work hard for the picture here. Am I doing the right thing for my Atomy business? Of course, doubt, growth, and the power of consistency. We believe that doubt is normal. When we don't doubt, it means that we're not growing. Right? I don't know if you believe that, but I certainly do because I have come to this phase where I doubt a lot, but then little do I know that growth is appearing or growth is shaping me to become a better person or a better leader in the Atomy business. So now let's be honest. If you've ever asked yourself, Glyza, maybe I will ask you, am I doing the right thing for my Atomy business? Have you ever asked yourself this question? Just yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
many times.
many times, of course. You're normal. It means that you're normal. So luckily you're not abnormal, Liza. You're normal. Every person who builds something meaningful goes through doubt. Tonight isn't about pretending things are easy. It is actually about learning how to trust the process and most importantly, how to trust yourself. At the beginning, we lack trust to ourselves, therefore we don't see our full potential, but the moment growth comes into us, we trust ourselves better, and then our business will be smoother and smoother. So as I've said a while ago, doubt is part of the journey. Doubt doesn't mean you're failing, it means you are growing. Doubt usually shows up when results don't match our effort. Sometimes we say, "Oh, I've been going out every day. I've been talking to people. I've been registering people, but they're not buying online. But I've been doing my follow-up every day." So therefore, we doubt ourselves, doubt and doubt and doubt because we do a lot of effort, but not a lot of return, right? But here's the truth. If you weren't stretching, learning, and pushing outside your comfort zone, you wouldn't be questioning yourself. We are questioning ourselves because this is the process of us going out of our comfort zone. So if you ever experience your partner, your downline, or your friend that is doing Atomy that says, I don't want to do Atomy anymore because I don't see any progress despite of all the efforts, all the time that I am bestowing onto my Atomy business, nothing is happening. Try to encourage them that they are doubting their efforts, they're doubting the time that they are, bestowing into their Atomy business because growth is coming in to them. So which means that they're actually going out of the comfort zone. And believe me, if you are currently on this process, once you overcome this process, once you go out of your comfort zone, the skies will be blue and you are just going to think about, hey, this is what I can do more. This was my mistake, that's why it didn't work before, so I can adjust this one, and you will see the growth, and you will attract people around you that say, yes, we have to do that and we have to do that together, right? So in Atomy, growth comes before confidence, not the other way around. Believe me, when I was doing the Atomy business, I thought I was already confident. I actually told myself I was so arrogant at the beginning. But then Atomy really humbled me, and it gave me the time to grow and go out of my comfort zone. So this is why Atomy is so beautiful. Now, as you can see here on these pictures, ask yourself, are you doing the right things? Why is your Atomy business not progressing? First question, are you using the product? Second question, are you sharing the message to other people or sharing the experience of the products to other people? Third question, are you plugging into the system, attending meetings, attending one-day seminars, attending success academies? And the most important question is, are you staying consistent? Or you just do it or you just do your follow-up in a week, and after that, you wait another 2 months and you do your follow-up again in another 2 months, because consistency is really a must in Atomy. Success isn't about doing everything. Okay, remember that. It's about doing the right basics consistently. The question that I was asking myself before when I was in the process of growth, going out of my comfort zone, is that am I showing up even when it's uncomfortable? Because the most part of the growth comes when you still show up even when it's uncomfortable, even if you are shy to show yourself to other people, you know? So you should also ask this question to yourself, because once your answer is yes, then that means that you are ready for more challenges and success of your Atomy business. Of course, Atomy works, but only for people who work the basics repeatedly, and of course, patiently. Okay? Now, this one. I love this picture because it says results take time. What you don't see yet is still happening. I'm having goosebumps because I'm gonna tell you, when I was starting the Atomy business or even my salon, I was buying a lot of equipments, but I didn't know at first where I will be using them. But it's such an amazing feeling because the right people comes to you, the right opportunity, the right timing comes to you, and then I was just thinking like, oh, that's why I bought this equipment, because I'm gonna use this here. I'm so happy because I already got it. I don't have to buy it again, and wait for a long time. So, as I've said, what you don't see yet is still happening. I believe in the saying that when you think that you will be successful, you will be this on a certain period, you repeat saying that into your head, into yourself, talk to yourself in front of the mirror, you will be that person because you believe that you will be that person. So most people quit because they judge their future by their current results. I'm guilty. I was like that. But Atomy is like planting seeds, right? The work happens underground before anything shows. Your consistency today is building momentum you cannot see yet. Don't quit in the invisible phase. Let me tell you something about my experience. I was on this phase, maybe I could say the invisible phase, but then I really fought harder and harder and harder to maintain my Atomy business until I got out of this invisible phase, and the brighter future is like, showing up, and you just have to grab the opportunity every day, because the right people will come to you because you will be attracting them based on your character, based on your, of course, results, and based on how you will be able to share the knowledge that you have, that you learned during the process. It's not just about happy things that you have to share. It's also about the sacrifices that you have to endure in order for you to become successful in Atomy, right? Because people will be magnet to you if you will be able to show them that this is how, for example, this is how I have gone through. And this is a reminder for you that this process takes time. And of course, keep going. If you're not learning, growing, and staying consistent, yes, you are doing the right thing. So if you're still asking, am I doing the right thing? Let me answer it to you guys. If you believe in the products, if you believe in the system, if you're willing to grow into the person this business requires, then yes, the answer is just keep going, because your future is still counting on you not to quit today. If you quit today, all of your efforts will just be wasted. And who lose, right? It's you. But if you continue with the process, go out of your comfort zone, believe in the impossible, and work through the process, then success will be ours. Okay, so